Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential guide on how to buy a new laptop. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just need one for general use, we've got you covered with tips and tricks to make the best choice based on your needs. Let's get started. Before you even start looking at laptops, it's crucial to understand your needs. Are you a light user who mainly surfs the web and uses basic applications? Or are you a heavy user who needs a machine for gaming, video editing, or programming? Your needs will significantly influence your decision. Let's break down the key components you need to focus on when buying a laptop. Consider factors like processing power, memory, storage, and battery life. Each of these elements plays a vital role in ensuring your laptop meets your specific requirements. By understanding your needs, you can make a more informed and satisfying purchase. Let's talk about the processor first. The processor, often referred to as the CPU, is essentially the brain of your laptop. It handles all the instructions from your software and hardware, making it a critical component to consider. For light tasks like browsing, streaming, and document editing, an Intel Core i3 or AMD Ryzen 3 should suffice. These processors are designed to handle everyday activities efficiently without consuming too much power or generating excessive heat. However, for more demanding tasks like gaming, video editing, or software development, look for at least an Intel Core i7 or AMD Ryzen 7. These processors offer more cores and threads, allowing for better multitasking and faster processing speeds. For the best performance, consider Intel Core i9 or AMD Ryzen 9. These high-end processors are built for extreme performance, capable of handling the most intensive applications and multitasking scenarios with ease. For example, if you're a student using your laptop for research and assignments, an Intel Core i3 or i5 will be just right. These processors provide a good balance between performance and power consumption, making them ideal for academic use. Next, let's consider RAM. 8 GB of RAM is generally enough for everyday tasks if you're a light user. This amount of memory allows you to run multiple applications simultaneously without significant slowdowns. But for more intensive tasks, 16 GB or even 32 GB of RAM is recommended. More RAM means your laptop can handle more data at once, which is crucial for tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and running virtual machines. For instance, a graphic designer using software like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator would benefit from 16 GB of RAM. This ensures smooth performance when working with large files and complex projects. When it comes to storage, a 256 GB SSD will provide enough space and speed for light users. SSDs are much faster than traditional hard drives, leading to quicker boot times and faster file transfers. Heavy users should consider at least a 512 GB SSD, but think about 1 TB if you store large files or games. More storage means you can keep more applications and files on your laptop without worrying about running out of space. For example, if you're into video editing, a 1 TB SSD will help you manage large project files without slowing down your system. The extra space allows you to store high-resolution videos and extensive project files comfortably. Graphics card is another crucial component. The GPU handles rendering images, videos, and animations, making it essential for gaming and creative work. Integrated graphics are sufficient for basic tasks, but a dedicated GPU like the NVIDIA GeForce GTX or RTX series or AMD Radeon RX series is necessary for gaming and 3D rendering. Dedicated GPUs have their own memory, which helps in rendering complex graphics smoothly. Gamers should look for at least an NVIDIA GTX 1660 Ti or AMD equivalent for a smooth experience. These GPUs offer a good balance between performance and cost, providing high frame rates and detailed graphics. In terms of display, a standard Full HD 1920 x 1080 display will be adequate for light use. This resolution is perfect for watching movies, browsing the web, and working on documents. However, look for higher resolution displays like 4K for video editing or design work. Higher resolution means more pixels, which translates to sharper images and more detailed visuals. Refresh rates, 120 Hz or 144 Hz, matter for gamers. Higher refresh rates provide smoother motion and can give you a competitive edge in fast-paced games. Video editors will benefit from a 4K display for better color accuracy and detail. The increased resolution allows for more precise editing and a better overall viewing experience. Finally, consider battery life. Aim for at least 8-10 hours of battery life for light use. This ensures that your laptop can last through a full day of work or classes without needing a recharge. While performance laptops often sacrifice battery life, aim for a balanced choice around 5–7 hours if possible. This balance allows you to enjoy high performance without constantly searching for a power outlet. Travelers who need their laptop throughout the day should prioritize battery life. A laptop with long battery life ensures you can work, watch movies, or browse the web during long flights or commutes without interruption. Now let's talk about brands and offers. It's tempting to go for big brands or the latest offers, but it's crucial to focus on the specifications that meet your needs. Do your research on models that fit your requirements, read reviews, and compare prices across different platforms. Here are some practical tips when shopping for a laptop. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking for a new device, these tips will help you make an informed decision. Test the keyboard and touchpad. Comfort matters if you'll be typing a lot. Spend some time typing on the keyboard to see if it feels right for you. A responsive touchpad can also make a big difference in your daily use. Check the port selection. Make sure it has enough USB ports, HDMI, and other connections you might need. Think about the peripherals you use regularly, like external drives, monitors, or even a mouse. Consider the weight and build quality. Portability and durability are key, especially for students and travelers. A lightweight laptop is easier to carry around, and a sturdy build ensures it can withstand daily wear and tear. Look for warranty and customer support. A good warranty and reliable customer support can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Check the terms of the warranty and read reviews about the customer service experience. Check the power requirements, 110 volts, 220 volts. Ensure that the laptop's power adapter is compatible with the voltage in the country where you'll be using it. This is especially important if you travel internationally. Finally, compare prices and read reviews. Don't just go for the first laptop you see. Take the time to compare prices online and in-store. Reading user reviews can also give you insights into the laptop's performance and reliability. To wrap it up, always base your laptop choice on your specific needs rather than just the brand or the latest offer. By focusing on the processor, RAM, storage, graphics card, display, and battery life, you'll find a laptop that perfectly suits your requirements. Thanks for watching, and happy laptop shopping. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.